Sanbanane guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile in the Dlaminis, you guys. So the episode actually starts off with Uvelepi, guys. Remember last episode, Uvelepi was walking at night and she notices ukuthi unomuntu omlandelayo, you guys. She trips, she falls, and then Lomuntu comes and says, "I am your father," tries to help her get up. So the episode picks up from there. He basically is saying he is Uvelepi's father. He's back in their lives. Hey, the reason why he left, it's not all his fault. It's Deliwe. Deliwe did not want him to have a relationship with them. So now he's back. And like Uvelepi is so confused, you guys, of why he's coming back like right now. Abuze-ke ubaba wakhe ukuthi like where is uDeliwe, and uVelepi tells him, listen, uDeliwe did the same thing that you did to us. She abandoned us. Then we see another scene, guys, where uVelepi is working at Deliwe's place serving customers. And then ubaba wakhe, guys, and that time mega kamuga, he's busy like ntombazane kababakhe. I'm like, dude, you just usanda kamuga like 2 minutes ago, and already you busy speaking as if you have a relationship no Velepi. Anyway, uVelepi ke ambuza ukuthi ayibo like ungithole kanjani, like how did you find me? Asho ke ukuthi he saw the music video. Remember uVelepi was dancing in a music video that was trending. So Asho ke ukuthi he saw uVelepi on the music video, and that's how he found her. Ambuze-ke uVelepi ukuthi when do you plan on seeing uSangweni? Athi hayi khuleka ngizombona. Like, but the way he's saying it, guys, it's like into kaSangweni akayingeni, or he does not want to see uSangweni manje. It gave off the vibes ukuthi lo muntu, guys, he's not back because he wants to be in his children's lives. That's why he's not worried about uSangweni, because Sangweni is not kind of famous. He doesn't have money, but he does look like he is back in Velepi's life specifically because he thinks she might have money, or he thinks she might be a money celebrity or something like that. Listen, guys, this man might not even be ubaba ka Velepi. But anyway, we're going to see. But I really hope that uVelepi does not fall into this trap of lies, because this guy does not look like he's back for the right reasons. He is going to milk and manipulate uVelepi in every angle possible. And then, guys, we see Usbongilege. She's listening to Ujabu's voice notes. Jabu's busy telling her, "Ama sweet little nothings. Mchelubuti lalela ngiyakhumbula, whatnot." She's busy blushing. Ulaleli voice note on speaker. Bungeneke ubabu uvuma. Athi uSbongile iyajika. She sees ubabu uvuma, and that time ubabu uvuma uhline. So Usbongile switches off the voice note, and then she stops blushing because she notices that her father catches on that she's probably listening to something that's making her blush. So then ubabake athi cela ukukhuluma nawe bahlale phansi, and then he tells her, he gives her a lecture that, listen, abafana, the boys are not going to take you anywhere in life, Mugel. Focus on your studies, because your studies are the ones that are really going to help you pursue your dreams. Because you can see ukuthi obviously uSbongile is getting a bit distracted. I'm trying ukuthi la usemhlabeni, and there are many distractions. So focus on imfundo zakho for now. That should be your priority, because boys are not going to take you anywhere. I love that talk that Ubaba Uvuma had with Usbongile, because guys, Usbongile does seem confused. Her heart is with Ukwenzo, but Ukwenzo obviously like he is destroying her heart by the things that he's doing. And that time there's Jabu who's doing the right things, and it seems like she does have a connection with. So it does really look like Usbongile is distracted, especially ungena indaba zika Kwenzo. Like, she should just leave Ukwenzo alone. Then anyway, guys, Ujabu, we see a scene where Ujabu, he's in the office. He is sending another voice note to Usbongile, because the first one that he sent, Usbongile did not respond to. So he's telling Usbongile, lalela, like, I miss you. I noticed what you did not respond to your voice note. Busy, something like that. Kanti emnyango kume bani, kume Ukwenzo. Kwenzo's listening to everything. And then when Vusi turns, when he's done with the voice note, ukwenzo, listen, ukwatile that Vusi sending Usbongile like voice notes, and then he just walks off like that. Katai when acting like a spoiled brat. I get you had your chance no Sbongil. Manju funan. Tetenu Chabu, like leave Chabu, let Chabu have his opportunity. Like you can't like what are you mad at? Because Chabu's not betraying you in any way. Usbongil is not betraying you in any way. Ukwenzo just wants like he wants Usbongile's whole world to revolve around him, which is unfair. Then guys, there's a scene also as well. Usbongile's at home. Ungen Usamke, Usamke Angen, Achisbongi, they're like so surprised to see Usbongile. Basically, she is there as Obonga because Ubabu Vumakeva left the previous day to wherever she was going and she was going to Peteni's house. Now, guys, there's something between Usamke and Usbongile. Now, Ubabu Vuma says Usamke was very close with Usbongile's mother, Bebek Ulabonge, like they did everything. Usamke Marai Taza Usbongile, she says her mother was like, they were like sisters. They were sisters, they were friends, like they were very close. Ambonis and Estombege, Samke has Istombe in her purse that she shows Usbongile a picture of her mother. Now there's something about it, guys, that's giving off the vibes that there's more to the story. Either, guys, Usamke is actually the real mother of Usbongile. Ucholuguchi Samke had a child, she didn't want to keep the child or something like that. And I don't know. Uzotoluguchi Samke is the real mother of Usbongile, or either Usamke knows something. But the way she even looks at Usbongile, like it gives me the vibes which there's more to this than what actually meets the eye. But we're gonna see as it develops, you guys. Then we see uNjengaya breaking the news to Nomfundo. Remember, uPhetheni said ukuthi ufuna ukulungisa umshado wakhe, but on her terms, and she said that uThemba must come and stay by the Dlamini household. So uNjengaya breaks the news to Nomfundo that listen, we want uThemba azohlala in the Dlamini household. Unomfundo obviously, guys, akafuni boy wakhe akafuni, because she says uVusi noPhetheni already bebeyiphatha kabi ingane yakhe. So how confident is she ukuthi like this time around they're not going to mistreat her son? Like she was busy convincing uNjengaya ukuthi uBoy deserves ukuthi akhule no mawakhe. And uNjengaya is like, yes, umawakhe uPhetheni nje, like uPhetheni like is a motherly role. So Nomfundo, she does not want to, she's not comfortable about this. But while they're having this conversation, uThemba is listening on the conversation. And what uThemba decides to do, he decides to call umalume wakhe, which is uBhuti Nomfundo, calls him and tells him, listen, uma phela akafuni ukuthi ngiyohlala nobaba. And I want to. So afike uBhuti Nomfundo after uNjengaya has left and says, listen, dedela ingane ukuthi uyohlala noyise. Like basically uThemba's angry that uNomfundo does not want him to go and stay with his father. So it looks like the brothers convincing uNomfundo so that uThemba goes and stay kwaDlamini, because that's what uThemba wants. And I don't know, I feel like it's too good to be true. uVusi decides to invite uThemba to the house, to the Dlamini house. uNjengaya gets to meet uVusi. It looks like uNjengaya is very fond. uNjengaya gets to meet uJabu, excuse me. And it looks like uNjengaya is very fond of uJabu. So they are just at the house, just there to chill. But listen, uJabu has an agenda and uJabu is pressing in for information. And Lalela, uVusi is giving in little by little. Then Tlinenike in their chat, uJabu asho ukuthi he doesn't think ukuthi uEnzo will, he thinks actually ukuthi uEnzo will understand if uVusi opens up and tells uEnzo the truth. Now that advice, guys, it sounds very solid, it sounds sound. So I don't know, Wuti, like what plan and what angle does Jabu plan on taking? Because I expected Jabu to say, no, don't tell uEnzo, and then for Ujabu to use that against uVusi or something like that, but it doesn't look like he's going to be using that strategy. But anyway, Uchabu, guys, then we see a scene where Uchabu is basically sitting Nosiswake telling his sister Utilalela Pela. And Vusi keeps opening up little and little by little. Tells the sister everything that Vusi told him about Lalela Pela Uvusi. He knew that Unomalang was pregnant all along. He kept the secret from his brother, and it looks like Unjengaya and Uvusi, there's something that's going on there. Basically, yeah, spilling the beans. And the sister's basically saying, I don't think this is a good idea. Forgive. So it looks like, guys, that Dlamini's destroyed Jabu's family. I don't know if it was via business because Ujabu says after the Dlamini is destroyed, Ubaba, he could not recover from that. So angazi, if it's in terms of his father had a small business and then the Dlaminis came in. But anyway, Ujabu is paying revenge for his father. Then kungena uSibongile, guys. uSibongile ke angene. The sister walks out. uSibongile atshela uJabu uthi, listen, Jabu, I noticed that you might have gotten the wrong impression about us, and I accept ukuthi I might have led you on, but basically breaking things off with uJabu after the conversation she had with her father, like saying that she doesn't have feelings for him. And Jabu's like, oh, okay, that's fine if you don't have feelings for me. And ashoge ukuthi we can no longer work together. Ha, Jabu. Basically, guys, Jabu's saying to uSibongile, because you cannot be in a relationship with me, or you don't want to advance whatever we have, then you cannot work with me anymore. And he knows very well, guys, that uSibongile needs that job. Imagine. Yo, guys, Ujabu is just turning out to be someone we never ever. I've been rooting for Ujabu, and I'm like, Kwenzo must leave uSibongile for Ujabu. But I'm just like, I don't know. I feel like the one person who's gonna find out about this plan that Ujabu has towards the Dlaminis might be uSibongile, and Sibongile might be the person once again who saves the Dlaminis. Anyway, guys, that is the recap of the latest episode. Tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.